Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Uniswap token. In today's video, I want to show you how the price action of Uniswap has completed another harmonic bullish reversal move, and this time it has completed this bullish bat move. In fact, I shared this move on 24th of June at the Patreon, and let me show you the chart. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis here. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description you can find there. And this was the idea that I shared on 24th of June when the Uniswap completed the bullish bat and entered in the buying zone. And let me open the chart, and I'm just going to play the chart to show you how the chart is behaving. You can see that at that time the price action already had visited the buying zone or the potential reversal zone of this bullish bat, and this bat has been formed on the 2-day chart, and I'm expecting up to 79% rally this time from this harmonic move. And you can see that the price action moved at the very end of this buying zone. Even we had a very long spike and retraced back, and at that time it was moving above the buying zone, and I was expecting that once we will have another drop then by the Bitcoin, then the price action can follow the Bitcoin and we will have another chance to catch it from this buying zone that starts from 16.63 cents and ends up to $16.63 and ends up to $14.93. Now, after playing this chart, we can see that the price action indeed moved very close to the end of this buying zone and reversed bullish, but this time again it is moving back, and we might have another chance to buy it from the deep of this buying zone. That will be a really very good chance because the sell targets, as per the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish bat, start from $20.69 and ends up to $26.77. Now, if we move to the live daily time frame chart, then here we can see that the Uniswap was very, very strong bullish, and it formed an up channel here. Let me form this up channel. I'm just going to place this regression tool that is a very, very useful tool provided by the TradingView, free of cost, available there. If you don't have account on the TradingView, then you can use my referral I have shared in the video's description. Okay, you can see that it was moving very well between the resistance and the support of this up channel. Let me to refine this channel more. You can see that this is the resistance of this up channel, and this is the support. And here the price action broke down this support. We had a very drastic drop, and you can see that the price action even moved at this last support at $14. We have this support. The $14 is a really very strong support. You can see previously, even when the trading was opened at the Binance, we had the resistance at the $14. And sometime I speak cents rather than dollar. You can ignore that. Okay. Then we can see that here slightly it worked as a support, moved all the way to the upside and moved down here, and again here the $14 is working as a strong support, moved up again, and again bounced by this $14 support level. Therefore, it is a really, really strong support. However, this time the price action has also broken out this next resistance of $17, and before this the price action also has formed this recent down channel, and this is the resistance of this recent down channel that starts from here. And let me place the support as well, and this is the support of this down channel. Let me just show you more clear. We can see that the price action is moving between the resistance and the support of this down channel, like this, and here as well, and now it is at the resistance and likely to be rejected by the resistance again. And if it will be rejected, like apparently it is it seems to be that it is going to be rejected, then we can again we may again retest this $14 support. That is the same level where we have the support of the down channel as well. If we can see that this is a kind of crisscross, like we're having this down channel support here, and we have this price level support here as well, and the price action can have a very nice bounce from here. And if we take a look at our buying zone of this bullish bat, that starts from $16.63 and ends up to $14.93. So it is possible, if the price action will retest this $14 support, that is really very strong, and this should be our stop loss as well, and we may have another spike up to this $14 like we previously had. The price action, you can see here is spiked up to $14 and reversed back. And if the price action will be moved down again with the Bitcoin, then we can expect that from here the price action will be reverse bullish again. But for any kind of big move, the price action should break out this resistance of the down channel. So there are two entry points for this trade. One, we should wait for the price action to move down again at the end of this buying zone that I have defined from $16.63 to $14.93. To minimize our risk factor. The members who are already following me at the Patreon, if some of them have bought it here, then they're lucky. They're still in profit. However, if the price action will be moved down here, this will be a very good chance to buy the dip again, very close to the $14. The second entry point should be after the breakout from the resistance of this down channel. That is a conventional way of the traders, that they buy after the breakout. And if you're a harmonic trader, then you try to buy the dip, like from here, from this buying zone of this potential reversal zone of this bat. So after this breakout, we can expect a very big rally, because you can see that the price action is moving in this down channel since May 2021, and so far the price action is not able to get out from this down channel. Here we had a very strong hope that the price action is now going to get out from this down channel, but it is rejected and likely to move to the downside. However, this time we are having a weak a bullish candlestick. It was bearish, but the bulls are again taking control, and you can see that the candlestick has been it changed from red to green, and we have this bullish candlestick now. So far so good. We are very close to the resistance. It can make another attempt for the breakout. However, if it will be completely rejected, then we can expect another drop up to $14. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon for more ideas, I have also shared the link in the video description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.